Banana peels turned into meat. Is it good? We're going to start the recipe by taking 6 bananas and cut off the ends of the bananas and then remove the peel just like this. With a spoon, remove the banana pulp that's stuck to the inside of the peel. Now, the riper the banana, the tastier this is going to be. Now, using a fork, go ahead and shred that banana peel just like this. And we're going to repeat this process with all of our banana peels. All right, this is what it's going to look like when all the banana peels are shredded. It is totally normal for those peels to turn dark. Now, mine were too big, so I'm just going to cut them down to make them a little bit smaller using a knife. I'm just going to make a few slices here. Now go ahead and take those banana peels and put them in a bowl with water, and we're going to leave these to soak. I'm going to splash in some vinegar just like this and give this a nice gentle stir, and we're going to leave these to soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now, in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and prepare the next step. In a pan, I've got some oil here. I'm going to fry some chopped onion along with 2 garlic cloves. Let's season with some black pepper, some salt, and some paprika. Now all of these spices are optional. Now saute everything together until that onion is soft and wilted. All right, now it is time to add in those shredded banana peels. Once that onion and garlic is sauteed, then it's time to add them in. Now go ahead and drain that water from those banana peels. Now the banana peels won't taste of vinegar, I promise. Stir and mix that well until everything is well seasoned. The tip here is to fry those banana peels over a medium heat. Now personally, I love the taste of banana meat. It's definitely worth making at home. This recipe is delicious, it's innovative, it's perfect. All right, once that's all mixed, I'm going to add a tablespoon of soy sauce, along with 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 chopped tomato. We're also going to need a half cup of water, and mix everything well until those banana peels are soft and cooked. After everything is well mixed, you'll see that that sauce is going to start to boil. We are going to cover and cook this for 10 to 15 minutes until those bananas are nice and soft. All right, after that time, let's turn off the heat, and just like that, our recipe is ready. Our bananas look beautiful, they look super juicy, and this tastes just like shredded meat. Now before serving, we're gonna get some bread and just cut that in half. And we're just going to remove the inside of the loaf like this and add the bananas inside the bread. See how easy this is? Bread with meat, super tasty. My mouth is watering, and this is the result of our bread. Look how delicious this is. This looks like meat. I cannot wait to taste it. It's worth trying this at home. Banana meat is such a magical recipe with incredible flavor. Enjoy.